You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals -8. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 24/23. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is m equals -8.